What I'm working on right now is using these clamps. I'm going to use these clamps to bring them together. Of course, I'm going to put dowels in between of them before I glue it, and that just gives it the extra strength, I guess. So I'm working on that at the moment. So that's part of the process. All these have been mitered. Once this clamp goes in, of course, it's going to tighten everything up. That's when I'm ready to glue them all down. Pretty basic, but I'm pretty sure you're going to like the end quality. The round edges helps it also. And of course, I'll round these off after they've been glued together. Then I'll go through the final stage of process. Here showing how the clamps are worked. And of course, this is underneath the table. And we have also glued and screwed on also plywood to hold all that frame together there. So it's not going to move. Although we got the clamps together, the plywood underneath also certainly secures all the frame up. So in the future, it's not going to have any hassle.